Let's talk quick detailers and what I use to clean my cars when I drive them and when I store them. All right, so this right here is from Boss Projects, and it's just a waterless wash. I typically don't wash my cars, funny enough. It might look like they're friggin' washed because they're always nice and spiffy and clean and all that jazz, but the Integra I haven't washed in 3 years. The Porsche I haven't washed in about 6 years. The Miata I haven't washed in about 3 years. And what I use is waterless wash products like this from Boss Projects. This is super good, and it's got really nice lubricants on there so you don't scratch up your paint when you wipe it down with a little bit of dust. So typically when I drive the cars, I come back and I wipe it down like so. Little spray, new rag. Don't cheap out on the rags. People always try to reuse the rags because they don't want to buy new ones, but these things are so cheap from, say, Amazon or on I think Costco's website. And I typically just wipe one way first, and then you can do whatever you want after. That way you don't swirl up the paint, dragging contaminants all over the car. And as you can see right here, super clean. I did give this a little polish, but most of the time when I drive this car and when I return to the garage, I hit it with this stuff right here, Boss Projects, and it works really good, and it's super freaking shiny. So check below, I'll tag them.